if it's going to be as deadly as you say, that it's going to kill like the millions and millions of tons of carp, what about the cleanup? That's going to be almost as big as killing them in the first place. You've got, what, billions and billions and billions of carp dying.
There is no doubt Australia's carp biocontrol program will be one of the largest ecological interventions we'll see in our lifetime. And there are a lot of carp in the system, and this virus is very effective in killing carp. So you're right, we need to make sure that this cleanup is done right. What we need to do is make sure that native fish and native species are protected, and that water quality is protected, so that the ways that humans use water to drink and to water ski on, importantly to fish in, that those uses are maintained. So we're doing some really good work with researchers from Water New South Wales to understand how different biomass levels of dead carp impacts on water quality. What we're trying to get to is understand the threshold beyond which we really need to get carp out of the system. I need to make a point that it's actually quite beneficial to leave some of the dead carp in the system, because the yabbies and the birds will break that down and cycle it through the food web, but we need to make sure that we can have those positive benefits and not hit those thresholds where we get negative outcomes. So that research is underway right now. The most important thing about doing the cleanup right is making sure it's resourced appropriately. It's like any job. If you've got the resources to do it right, financial and human resources, you can do the job well. And so we're speaking with investing partners as we speak to try and make sure that we have those resources to do the job properly, because it is one of the most important parts of the success of this initiative, just to make sure that, native fish and water quality is protected.